name's Clint. We have another video today of how to take off the door panel, because I don't really see too many door panels being taken off. So the first thing we're gonna do is take this guy off right here. So only thing you gotta do is really get behind it and pretty much pry. So I'll show you. It'd be best if you had a well, flat head, but that one just came out pretty easily. So you don't want to break it though. So I'm wiggling. Wiggle. Alright, boom. That's out. Second thing you want to do is get this guy right here. It's a flathead screwdriver. You want to take him out. Alright, he's loose. Put him somewhere. So once you get this out, put him somewhere. I'm gonna put him right here. Got sauce and stuff everywhere. Then you want to get behind this one. There's another one right here. Take him out. As you can see, I don't know if you can see that. Let me switch hands. Yeah, so take him out. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand and record, but I'm gonna take this out real quick. Just took that one out from there. As you can tell, there's no screw back there anymore. And put this one somewhere as well. Putting them right here. I'll put the other ones. Now you want to take this piece off. So, you kind of want to lift a little bit. Hold up, wait a minute. You want to turn that way and then lift up to get that off. Next thing you want to do is take off this speaker cover right here. So this is pretty much easy. Speaker cover comes off. You have your speaker. You're gonna have 1, 2. It's usually 4, but I have aftermarket stuff, so I only have 2. Take those out. I'm gonna take this out with 2 hands because I don't want my speakers to drop. So you take these out, and then you're gonna have one right here, one right here, one right here. But I'm gonna take this out with 2 hands so the speaker doesn't drop. Boom. Now that that's out, I kind of didn't want to do too much harm to that because it feels brittle. But now you have 3. Oh, look at this. It's magnetic. Now you have 3. So it's gonna be one right here, one right here, and one right there. If I can get in there. I think I might have to get a smaller one. Smaller screwdriver. Yeah, gotta get a smaller screwdriver. I'll call you back when I'm done. Alright. Once you get those 3 screws out, there should be 3 of these. And then everything's ready to come off. Well, actually, you gotta do this. You gotta get under here first. So, kind of get under there. But don't really force it. But kind of see, boom. So then, once it comes up, but be careful though. They do too much. Alright, that's out. Pull that out from there. And you want to pop this clip off right here. So it should be clip. Where are you? Oh, here it is. So hook here. Alright, once you got that guy off, it was kind of a pain, but you just push this in like normal, and it unhooks. Now we pretty much pull this Boom, pull it free, and then now you want to work your way up. It should be free. Watch out for your tweeter there. And pretty much you just work it from that side to that side. I'm gonna call you back once I get it done. Yeah. Now that the door is off, this is the main reason why we are here. Because this shit keeps sticking to my window and it's not good. So I'm pretty much taking all of this off. All of it off. Because yeah, fuck that. I don't have time to keep dealing with that. And I'm gonna just scrape it off. Scrape it off with a knife. And once it's done, I'll come and get you guys. And we're gonna reinstall everything. See you in a few. Alright. No, have this in a minute. In a minute. It's clean. I don't get no more residue stuck on the windows. So the whole reason why I took off this door, obviously it's gonna be in the description, but it's because I kept getting like sticky residue on my door. So I just cleaned all of it off, and now let's reinstall. So you can actually look and tell. You can see something kind of right there. See it right there, sticky residue. Residue, bro, there's residue everywhere. So, all right, let's get back to the reinstall. So, okay. First things first. Rest in peace, Uncle Phil. For real. All right, when you're reinstalling it, you want to go from kind of left to right. So you want to make sure this seal gets on first, and then you want to work it your way back. Once you get the clips in, boom, you want to put this tweeter in, and then you want to put those 3 screws back in.